right now to see how our Friday forecast is shaping up. You know, got a little crispness starting out this morning.
We are going to have a significant change in the way it feels out there as we go through the weekend into the early part of next week. We still have the warm and the muggy for one more day, maybe tomorrow morning too, but I think we're going to start to notice more clouds and more showers coming our way. This afternoon, probably still going to climb up over 85 in most spots. And then overnight tonight into tomorrow, more clouds, plenty of moisture still, so those temperatures staying way up in the 60s. Our current conditions, 68 in Valdosta, 64 in Thomasville, 63 in Tallahassee. Got all that moisture content in the air, not a lot of breeze to stir things up, so we'll be on the lookout for some fog that's trying to form in some spots already. 61 for us in Quincy. It's 68 in Perry. It's 63 at Camilla. It's 64 in Live Oak, so got a pretty good variety through the 60s this morning. Remember, normal morning lows this time of year should be back down closer to 52. Now, if there's a breeze out there, and there's not much of one, it's from the south and southeast, it'll turn more towards the south and southwest later on today. I see a couple of spots like Camilla, like Live Oak, where the visibility is down at 3 miles, so some patchy fog, but that's all. The more significant rains extend from parts of Tennessee back through northern Mississippi, Louisiana, and down across coastal areas of Texas. This is where that boundary is. It's been taking its sweet old time making any progress east, and it's going to take probably a whole nother day before it really gets into our area, or at least close enough to our area to start ringing out some showers. As energy rides along that, if it all times up right, that's when we get our best chances to get wet, and it feels like we're talking tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening for that, and especially I think areas west and north of Tallahassee, but it doesn't mean we won't see showers south and east of Tallahassee. We will. I think everybody's got a shot to get some showers tomorrow. We're going to put the rain chances a bit higher, and eventually, like during the day Sunday, this boundary should finally clear through, and when it does, now we bring in that cooler air. I do think we could find some showers even today. It's going to have a lot of humidity out there. The air is warm and unstable. It won't take much, but we're not talking big, widespread showers and storms. Tomorrow, especially after lunchtime, maybe even later in the afternoon towards the evening, that's when we have the best chances to see the most rain coming through the area. And I think we're still going to be unsettled as we start our Easter Sunday, and maybe some of those clouds are going to linger into the early part of next week. Winds on the Gulf today, southeast and south, 5 to 12 seas, 2 feet or less, maybe up to 1 to 3 feet at most. 60s and 70s and muggy this morning, 80s later, middle and upper 80s. And we'll put the rain chances around 30%. For tonight, I think we keep it in the 60s one more time, but here comes that extended forecast. The best chances to get wet Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and look how the temperatures change. Upper 80s today, upper 70s tomorrow, upper 60s for highs on Easter Sunday.